Okay, so here we are in the AWS console. I went ahead and created an instance, launched the instance using the key name Cal. These are just a few instances I created just playing around. So I went ahead and I grabbed the IP address here, copied that, and I also created a PPK file and a PEM file here, which was Cal. Go ahead and show you both of those. I made both of those so that I can go ahead and log into PuTTY generator and the PuTTY software. So after I did that, this is where the screen took me. Actually, it was logged in as Ubuntu first, and I created the user Luke, and also I made a new directory of Star Wars. In order to make the changes to Luke, I went ahead and gave it sudo privileges, and I logged in as Luke, which is where I am now here. So I'm logged in as Luke, and I'm going to go ahead and type in cd pwd to take me to the home directory to show that I made a new home directory of Star Wars. So I'm going to go ahead and type in ls-l, and it gives me all of my files and all of my directories here with the file Chewbacca and the file Vader, the folder Vader. So I went ahead and gave Chewbacca read and executable privileges for the user and read for the group and other, while Vader had only executable privileges. So for the Chewbacca file, to get these privileges, I used the code 544. And for Vader, to get these privileges, I used the code 100. So I went ahead and made a new group too as well, which was Rebels here. And I also changed the owner of Chewbacca and Vader to Luke. So Luke owns both Chewbacca and Vader. So here we are, ls. We have the file, and we also have the directory here. And just go ahead and clear all of this again. Give you a quick rundown how I did it as well. cd pwd home directory. I'll go ls-l to give me the file and the directory with all of the privileges here. Change the owner, change the group. And there is my AWS project. I did enjoy doing this project. I learned a lot about how to make users. I learned a few commands, and I also learned some new software such as PuTTY and Ubuntu. And actually enjoyed this one for the most because it was kind of like a little, I guess, puzzle, you can say, because I'm always, let's see if this fits or it doesn't fit. So I enjoyed that aspect of it, and I enjoyed the class this semester.